Okay, g'day, here we are back again. I've got a couple of coasters here which turned out pretty crap back in the day when I was fiddling with some acrylic pouring. So I thought I'd use them up because I've got all this leftover gorgeousness here. So what I'm going to do is very simply just pop them on and heat it up. I've been working with this resin. This is Dancks crystal cast, by the way, and I've been working with this one for well over an hour now, and still, but you can really smell the fumes in here now. I've burned the crap out of that the resin. I'm going to try and make it nice and thick, just coasters. Easy to do. Might need to add a bit of something to them. I don't know, but I'm going to try and contain what I can up here and not waste any more, because I keep going back and forth. I've already done a painting with the drips and now the coasters, so I don't want to waste any more. Alright, that's it. Got to draw the line. I don't know how much, longer these are gonna, that this resin's gonna let me play with it, So, got just a couple of drops of green because it needs a little bit of waking up. Yeah, that's like a grey white left there. Oh yes, a little bit of purple. We love this purple rain. It's just amazing. So I'm just gonna put some there and pretty much just spread it a little bit. Whatever drips here, and if there's more drippage, whatever drips, I'm just gonna pick it up and put it in a mold, because I'm running out of things to pour on. Okay, bring it all the way to the edge. You can even pick some of these up. The more you mix these colors, the more they turn into a grey. So, but it is what it is. Oh, there's some really nice drippage here. Oops. I can put there. Well, this is going to be interesting. Such a mess, my goodness gracious. And a wee bit of this gold. I just need something to wake this up. So I've got no white, no nothing, just need some gold. I hope that'll do it. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that's pretty intense. And I'm going to leave that now right here because it doesn't look too bad at all. Looks quite interesting. Just fixing up the sides, the edges rather, because they look pretty crap. And we don't want that, do we? Right. Awesome. That's it from me for today. I've had enough. We've got to go and have another coffee, I think. Actually, there's a little bit of white there. Maybe I can put it here. See, even that tiny little bit of white, it just, this is cool. Don't want to mess with that. Tiny little bit of white can make such a difference here. maybe here on this. Okay, let's give it another whirl. That's it. Done. Now I'm not touching it anymore. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, mama. Let's go this way. Beautiful. Look at that. Should I? Shouldn't I? Bugger it. Let's do it. Alright. I know. How many times did I say alright, alright? That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will take some photos of this, you know, close up so that you can see what it looks like. They look pretty cool. Thank you. Bye.